SF90-6X semi-auto stringer pallet nailing machine. Suitable for pallet factories, logistics packaging plants, machinery export manufacturers, medium and large packaging workshops. Cut labor costs by 60% versus full manual nailing, reduce reject rates, save wood board and nail raw material waste. Total power only 16.6 kilowatts, low energy consumption, save factory electricity cost compared with old models. CE and ISO certified, 1-year warranty for whole machines and core components, lifelong online technical support. Match automatic outfeeding conveyor and pneumatic stacking table, realize continuous batch production. Inclined feeding platform, laboratory saving material placement, reduce worker fatigue greatly. Multi-size pallet 1 machine, flexible batch production.